I'm Monica Parker, Head of Workplace Consultancy for Morgan Lovell, and what I do is help our clients examine the intersection between people and property, which are naturally their two biggest cost centers, and leverage those decisions for better organizational outcomes. I typically use the Leesman at a number of points through the process. I would use it as an initial engagement tool with staff. I also tend to use it as a mechanism by which I can gather data very quickly, very elegantly, and feed it back to an organization so that they can get an understanding of what their status quo is. If they don't have that appreciation, then they can't appropriately start approaching a visioning. So they need to know where they are if they want to know where they're going. And then, of course, it's a brilliant tool in the end of a change process, be it a workplace transformation or any other kind of employee change, to test the results. The idea that if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. And for clients to be able to use that to prove that the resources they put towards a transformation was worth it. I wish more organizations use the Leesman as a housekeeping tool. I find that the ability to go back and constantly check in on a transformation, on some sort of change within the office environment will really pay dividends. I don't think enough organizations do that. You do find organizations that are doing a pre and post survey, but not this annualized kind of checkup. So that's something that I am encouraging my clients to consider. What sets Leesman apart is its ease of deployment and the elegance and accessibility of the data when it's returned to you. The tool just simply does so much of the work for you. And now, because of how familiar I am with it, it really just speaks to me. It tells a story, and in turn I can tell that story to my clients.